Yep. Okay, Alice, now you need to do that with him on the other side of you.
Sorry.
So that we can see him and not you.
I don't want to please him on the other side, so I'll do it this time.
Okay.
This is also exercising personal space.
Oh, geez, Danny. Hi, Danny.
Hi. Hi. Dan.
Okay, I just got some really close up of your horse.
Yeah. Let's try that again. I'll just try it again.
Okay. I think he wants you to jump it too.
I'm not jumping it. No.
What a good boy. Should I continue recording or not?